It's hard to teach a fisherman anything. Have you ever seen one of these?
I've never seen one in my life before. What is
Okay,
it?
I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this beautiful fish of yours into a salmon carpaccio.
A wild sockeye carpaccio.
See here how we make some peel like that?
All right.
So if you take these two here and
Okay.
do the same thing and just create a little bit of that for me. So I have a little bit of garlic butter here. And these slices that we cut, very thin pieces. And we're gonna create like a round pattern so it fits up on a round plate when we're done. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on it. Like that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this lime, a little bit of orange, a little bit of lemon. A quick way of doing this is we're gonna give this a bunch of citrus.
With different varieties.
Yes.
I like it.
So it's like a quick citrus cure, but we're still gonna put it in the oven. This is just gonna sit, and you know how that acid gets into the fish and gives it flavor?
And cures the fish.
We won't cook this fish very much. This is gonna be super quick. 2 minutes.